Okay, so markdown.trace. Enable debug logging for the markdown extension. By default, this is set to off, and you only have off or verbose. And if you open a preview, a markdown preview, oh, and by the way, you can open a markdown preview by opening a markdown file and clicking this little icon right there. And if you don't want to have this split screened, just pull it up to the left hand side. When you go to the output, you'll see that now you have a markdown option. You can select that. This, well, if you know what a language server is, this is pretty much the same thing. So now when you make changes, you'll see that you're going to see the communication between VS Code and your markdown extension. So you can debug it and see what's going on. So this is pretty much just useful for people that are creating markdown extensions. It's not really needed for your day-to-day coding needs. So I'm going to leave this one disabled.